In today's video, I will teach you how to make an official passport photo with AI. Let's get started. With AI Ease's AI Passport Photo Maker, you can easily generate official country-specific ID photos from the comfort of your home. So open your browser and go to the Passport Photo Maker. And once you're on the site, you can choose your country from the drop-down list. To select the type of photo you need: passport, visa, green card, or DV lottery. And once both fields are selected, click the Make Free Passport Photo button to proceed. And you can now upload your own image, either by dragging and dropping it into the upload area or clicking the upload button to browse your computer. Supported formats include JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and WebP. For best results, make sure to use a clear frontal portrait with even lighting. And make sure your entire face is visible, avoid unnatural expressions, ensure the image is high resolution, and do not wear glasses or headwear unless for religious or medical reasons. Now click Generate to let the AI work its magic. And once the image has been generated, you'll see various print size: 3R, 4R, and 5R. Now scroll down to view additional variations in case you're not satisfied with the first result. And once you're happy with the final image, click Download to save it to your device. And that's it! You've just created the professional passport photo, sized and formatted to meet official standards, all in just a few minutes and for free. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.